Kain tayo ng beef birria tapos isasabay mo dito sa frozen mango na merong chili lime salt and chamoy. Asim kilig yan. Meron ding birria ramen and other Mexican dishes na talaga namang subok na ng marami. Kaya nga kilala sila dito sa Angeles City at kahit nung bagong bukas pa lang yan, nag-trending na agad sila. This is Mexiqueni at ngayon lumipat sila sa mas malaki at maaliwalas na lugar. Open daily from 11 AM to 11 PM. Ang pinakamadaling description katapat ito ng McDonald's na malapit sa AUF. Heavy yung mga meals nila dito, sobrang nakakabusog kaya either you're sharing it with someone or yung tipong sobrang laki ng appetite mo, ganon. Syempre, first things first, beef birria muna tayo. That slow-cooked beef birria is bursting with flavors, merong slight cheese pool tapos toasted yung tortilla. First bite pa lang, solid na agad. Tapos eto yung kanilang birria ramen. Bouncy noodles swimming in that consomme na merong egg, cilantro, onions, and cheese. Sobrang tasty nito, feeling ko pwede mo pang ulamin sa rice. Up next, we're having some quesadilla. You have an option of chicken, beef, or pork. At ito yung kanilang slow-cooked pork shoulder or yung carnitas. It goes so well with that pickled onion and yung parang salsa niya on top. Tapos meron ding cheese pool. Ito tip ko sa inyo. Pagsabayin nyo yung quesadilla with the birria ramen, tapos paliliguan mo ng consomme. This combo definitely hit the spot. Sa rice meals naman, mag-start tayo sa chicharones. This is half kilo ng crispy pork belly, perfectly paired with their guacamole. At yung guacamole nila guys, napaka-legit. Ito naman, chicken fajitas. Marami yung bell peppers and onions, served with some guacamole, salad, and Mexican crema on the side. We took one bite with a little bit of everything and it was bomb. This naman is carne asada using premium ribeye with chimichurri, also served with Mexican crema, guacamole, and pickled onion. The ribeye steak is super tender. And let's not forget their Mexican rice. This is also very flavorful. Grabe yung mga rice meals nila. Talagang nakakabusog. First time kong itatry yung kanilang Mexican coffee. It's infused with aroma and flavor from the spices. Sakto yung tapang ng caffeine tapos balanse yung creaminess and sweetness. Of course, meron ding soft shell tacos and once again, we're having their slow-cooked pork. This is served with pickled onions and their chipotle aioli, which is so good. This next one has grilled chicken, grilled pineapples, Mexican crema with a little bit of a tang from the pickled onions, match made from heaven. Sa drinks naman, meron itong non-alcoholic na mojito, very refreshing. Ito naman, hibiscus tea na merong yogurt and chunks of mango. Yan ang favorite ko sa lahat ng drinks nila. Sa burrito, meron silang 4 na klase. There's chicken fajitas, yung grilled chicken with pineapples, crispy sisig burrito, and yung slow-cooked na pork. Ang laki ng mga burrito, fully loaded and packed with flavor, good for 2 to 3 packs. Finally, ito yung trending nilang mango nada. Parang sila lang ang may ganito sa Angeles City so far. Frozen milk and mango na nilalagyan ng tahin, which is a chili lime salt, at yung chamoy na maasim. Nakakagising na nakakakilig tapos hindi nakakasawa. So sa lahat ng mahilig sa Mexican food or yung mga gusto palang mag-explore, Mexiqueni is the place for you.